Good morning, children. Standard 7th Geography, Unit 1 Exploring Continents, North America and South America. Today, class discuss the topic Transport of South America. Unlike North America, South America still does not have an adequately integrated transportation network. Significant efforts have been made to improve both the connection within countries and the linkages between them. Roadways, railways, waterways, airways. Roadways. South America has an extensive and rapidly expanding network of roads. In many countries, however, only a relatively small percentage of roads are the paved and the most remote areas. They may be barely wide enough for two vehicles to pass easily. A road like in Venezuela and Brazil allows north to south movement through the Amazon basin. Brazil continues to have the largest network of roads belonging to the Pan American Highway system which extend throughout the Americas. Railways. In most South American countries, railways have lost the dominant position of the major mode of transportation and have been replaced by the road network that have developed rapidly since 1960s. Moreover, rail transport is plagued by operational problems as well as by obsolete equipment. Almost all lines are single-tracked, which makes traffic slow and discourage passenger service. Many countries have two or more track gauges, which impedes the efficient integration of the rail system. Waterways. Seaways have long been a vital component of the transport systems of South American countries. Majority of imports and exports to and from the continent are moved by ship. South America has a number of outstanding natural harbors. They are Rio de Janeiro, Salvador, the Montevideo, and the Valparaiso. Several countries such as Chile and Brazil are making determined effort to develop and enlarge the sea routes. There are two inland waterways systems of international importance. They are the Paraguay-Uruguay basin, which includes territory in 4 countries, and the Amazon basin, which includes 6 countries. Each has several thousand miles of navigable waterways. Next, airways. Airways have developed rapidly since World War II. The increase is particularly significant with respect to passenger traffic and so handling of bulky freights. All the South America capitals and most of the large cities are linked by direct service to the major traffic centers of the United States and Europe. Next, discuss the topic population. South America contains the world most mixed population. Many people in South America are descended from Europeans, especially the Spanish and Portuguese, who began to arrive during the 15th century. The descendants of African slaves brought over by Europeans. Native people still live in the mountain and the rainforest and keeping their own languages and tradition. There are the three major races found in South America and are American Indian, European and blacks. The mixed population of native Indians and European is known as mestizo. The mixed population of European and blacks is called mulatto, and mixed of native Indians and blacks is called Zambo. The current population of South America is 442.25 crores. Population density of South America is 21% per square kilometer. South America is positioned 5th rank in the total population among the continents. Next, we discuss the topic population distribution. High densely populated areas, moderate populated areas, sparsely populated areas. High densely populated areas are Guyana, Venezuela, Suriname, Colombia, Brazil and Peru. Moderate populated areas are Paraguay, Chile and Uruguay, and sparsely populated areas are Argentina, Bolivia and Amazon basin. Next, languages and religions. Portuguese and Spanish are the primary languages of the South America. Among other languages used by many South Americans are Dutch, French, English, German and Hindi. Christianity is the dominant religion in South America. Other than Christianity, Hinduism and Islam are also followed by South Americans. Do you know? South American nations have a variety of music. Most of the famous genres include samba from Brazil, tango from Argentina, Uruguay and cumbia from Colombia. Thank you.